Very good morning everyone. Myself Shiraz Grover, your mathematics tutor, and today beta I will teach you chapter 3rd of our NCERT book Coordinate Geometry. Beta, it's a revision video. Hopefully you all have done this chapter at home. You all have understood the concepts of this chapter at home. And now I will teach you some of the questions of this chapter, and before that I will summarize some of the important key points of this chapter. Okay, let's start. This vertical axis is called y-axis and this horizontal axis is called x-axis. These two axes cuts this Cartesian plane into 4 equal parts. These 4 equal parts are called quadrants. These are called quadrants. It is our first quadrant, it is second, it is third, it is fourth. And the point of intersection of these coordinate axes is origin. It is origin and it is equals to 0, 0. All points that lie on this x-axis have their y coordinate is 0. That is, this point is 1, 0. This point is 2, 0, this point is 3, 0, this point is 4, 0, and so on. On the left hand we have the negative points. It is -1, 0, it's -2, 0, -3, 0, -4, 0, and so on. The points that lie on y-axis have their x coordinate is 0. That is, this point is 0, 1, it is 0, 2, it is 0, 3, it is 0, 4, and below it we have the points which have their x coordinate is 0 and the y coordinates are negative. That is 0, -1, 0, -2, 0, -3, 0, -4, 0, -5. Okay bache. Now see, the point that will lie in this first quadrant will have both its x coordinate and y coordinate positive. Okay, likewise we are to locate 4, 1. So 1 is this and 4 is this. It is 4, 1. This point is just 4, 1. Okay, now let me clarify you. 4, 1 means this x coordinate is 4 and this y coordinate is 1. This x coordinate is also called abscissa. It is called abscissa, and this y coordinate is also called ordinate. It is also called ordinate. Now the point which has abscissa 4, it means that the perpendicular distance of this point from the y-axis is 4. It means that ordinate, if abscissa, that is x coordinate, is 4, this means the perpendicular distance of 4, 1 from y-axis is 4. From y-axis is 4. Here you can see on the graph, this 4, 1 has its perpendicular distance from y-axis which is equals to 4, and its perpendicular distance from x-axis is 1. That is our y coordinate, or we can say our ordinate. Here I can write, if ordinate is 1, this means the perpendicular distance of 4, 1 from x-axis is 1. Okay, so if in the question you are given a point and you are asked the perpendicular distance of this point from y-axis, you will write x coordinate, and if you are asked the perpendicular distance from x-axis, you will write the y coordinate or simply ordinate. Okay bachche, so it has both its x and y coordinates positive. The point that will lie in the second quadrant, it will have its x coordinate negative and y coordinate positive. Likewise, this point is minus 4 comma 1. This point has perpendicular distance from the x-axis equals to 1 and from the y-axis is 4. But it's on the left hand side of the origin, that's why we will represent it as minus 4 comma 1. Okay, we will represent it as minus 4 comma 1. It means that all the points that will lie in the second quadrant would have their x coordinate, that is abscissa, negative, and the y coordinate, that is ordinate, positive. Okay, so I can represent it as minus comma plus. All that points will lie in third quadrant will have both of their coordinates in negative. Okay, suppose we are to calculate minus 3 comma minus 3, so it will be in the third quadrant.